In this episode you'll learn how to add to the DPS configuration. To start, click on File, Configuration, Site Branch. Now select your branch. Once this has loaded, find the Lettings section and scroll down till you see Deposit Scheme. Change this drop-down to Deposit Protection Service UK. Once you've done that, scroll up to the Bespoke Third-Party Link section. You will need to add in the DPS Agent ID, DPS Client ID and DPS Client Secret. To add these, double-click on each one. Add the ID you were provided by the DPS and save. Finally, exit. You have now set up the DPS as your deposit scheme. Thanks for watching. Click here for more desktop videos or here for Acquaint web videos. Don't forget to subscribe.